Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show the unboxing and assembly of IKEA floor lamp Kryssmast. So let's see. So this is the shade part which comes on the top. Be careful while taking out because they are all partly joined. I think this is the string for switching on and off. The manual. This is the base and the stand, which are all together. So this is how it is. They just folded it and kept. We have to now. All you need is to fix them up. I'll just show the manual. So this is how it is. The tube, there is a stand, is with the wire is connected to the base. There are 2-3 sections where you have to tighten them, and fourth step is tightening them the rod at the base, and fifth and sixth involves the fixing of the bulb holder. So the first step is fixing this bulb holder portion, and this part has to be fixed here. So I have to accordingly adjust the IKEA makes such lovely simple products which can be easily assembled by anyone, and it gives such immense satisfaction after the product is ready. Now the next part is the center one. It is here joining these two tubes, the first and the second tube. So for this again I am pulling this wire down. At least I love assembling IKEA products. Everyone in my family loves to do that, and I'm sure you must have seen a lot of IKEA product assemblies in my channel. If you haven't, please go look out in my channel. You will see plenty of products being assembled in my channel. You can check out the playlist of IKEA products. I have given it in the description as well. Now this is the next step. This part, and similarly I pull out this wire like this. So this way we are making it straight now by joining all these tubes. 3 sections of the tube is joined now. So the whole tube is ready. Now I have to join this last part with the base. Hats off to the designers of IKEA. Now I have to fix this. So first I'll take this out. I'll pull out the extra wire below. I'll complete the step 4. Now the fifth step is this bulb holder. The next step is to remove this so that I fix the shade here. So now I'm fitting this so that this lampshade gets fitted on the stand. So you can see that at the bottom of the base there are 4 grooves provided, 1, 2, 3, 4, where you can position the wire such that it maintains the balance. That's it. The Kryssmast floor lamp is ready. It's very simple. This chain here is used for switching on and off. IKEA recommends E27 bulb. So the maximum wattage can be 13 watts of LED bulb. You can use lesser power as well. So we bought this E27 and the bulb is Solheta LED. Fixing this bulb on this. So it is again the threading type. So let me now connect this. So this is just 3.4 watts which we have used, and there's this beautiful chain here, small chain with which it is easy to on and off. It's very delicate and very soft to handle. Very easy. So that's it guys, this is the Kryssmast floor lamp. I have given you details of this product, about the rate, about the material used. This rod and the base is, of course, it is steel, nickel coated steel, and all other details are there in the product link which I provided in the description. You can go through that. The pricing also is mentioned in that. Hope you liked watching the assembly of this video. See you soon in my next IKEA assembly video. Till then, it's bye bye from Bhuvana.